Step back in time to explore the incredible treasures of ancient China. Can you guess these amazing artifacts? What are these famous clay statues built to protect an emperor called? Is it A, clay giants, B, terracotta warriors, or C, mud soldiers? It's B, terracotta warriors. They protected the emperor in the afterlife. Which luxurious fabric made from silkworm cocoons was a closely guarded secret in ancient China? Is it A, cotton, B, wool, or C, silk? It's C, silk. Revealing the secret was once punishable by death. Which legendary lucky creature is carved into this ancient piece of jade? Is it A, phoenix, B, dragon, or C, tiger? It's B, dragon. It symbolizes power, strength, and good luck. What are these glowing paper objects used to celebrate festivals and light up the night? Is it A, paper lanterns, B, hot air balloons, or C, neon signs? It's A, paper lanterns. They were invented during the Han Dynasty. What is this ancient three-legged bronze pot called? Is it A, ding, B, cauldron, or C, wok? It's A, ding. These vessels were used for ritual cooking. What shape is the hole in the middle of these ancient Chinese coins? Is it A, triangle, B, circle, or C, square? It's C, square. The square hole represented the earth. What is this ancient tool used for doing quick math calculations called? Is it A, abacus, B, ruler, or C, compass? It's A, abacus. It lets users calculate rapidly using beads. This amazing ancient invention was used to detect which natural event? Is it A, rainstorms, B, earthquakes, or C, volcanic eruptions? It's B, earthquakes. This clever device dropped bronze balls to show direction. What did ancient Chinese people write on to ask the gods questions about the future? Is it A, animal bones, B, clay tablets, or C, tree bark? It's A, animal bones. They contain the oldest written Chinese characters. What important navigation tool did this magnetic bronze spoon invention eventually become? Is it A, clock, B, compass, or C, thermometer? It's B, compass. This magnetic spoon always pointed south. What kind of artifact are these ancient bronze bianzhong? Is it A, musical bells, B, cooking pots, or C, weighing scales? It's A, musical bells. They play different notes when struck. This rare suit, made of thousands of jade tiles sewn with gold wire, was used for what? Is it A, royal armor, B, emperor's burial, or C, festival costume? It's B, emperor's burial. Jade was believed to preserve the soul. This colorful style of Tang Dynasty pottery is famous for using how many glaze colors? Is it A, 2, B, 3, or C, 5? It's B, 3. Santai literally translates to 3 colors. What fun flying toy was originally invented in ancient China for military signaling and measuring distances? Is it A, frisbee, B, kite, or C, boomerang? It's B, kite. They sent messages across enemy lines. What popular modern sport grew from the ancient Chinese game of cuju? Is it A, soccer, B. Basketball, or C. Tennis? It's A. Soccer. It is the earliest recorded form of soccer. This beautiful bronze animal-shaped container was used to hold what? Is it A. Water, B. Wine, or C. Perfume? It's B. Wine. These elaborate vessels were used in rituals. What is this flat, circular jade artifact with a hole in the center called? Is it A. Bidisc, B. Kong cylinder, or C. Jade wheel? It's A. Bidisc. It symbolized heaven and high social status. This square jade tube with a circular hole represents what ancient concept? Is it A. Earth and heaven, B. Fire and water, or C. Sun and moon? It's A. Earth and heaven. The square outer shape represents Earth. Ancient Chinese builders connected wood without nails, using which clever joint system? Is it A. Mortise and tenon, B. Glue and rope, or C. Peg and slot? It's A. Mortise and tenon. These joints allowed buildings to survive earthquakes. What are these colorful, flat leather figures used for in ancient storytelling? Is it A. Shadow puppetry, B. Kite flying, or C. Board games? It's A. Shadow puppetry. They were held behind a lit screen. This shiny, waterproof red dish is coated in the sap of which special tree? Is it A. Lacquer tree, B. Maple tree, or C. Bamboo tree? It's A. Lacquer tree. The sap dries into a hard glaze. What is this ancient seven-stringed musical instrument favored by scholars and sages? Is it A. Guqin, B. Pipa, or C. Guzheng? It's A. Guqin. This quiet zither has a 3,000-year history. What legendary piece of jade was carved into the famous imperial seal of China? Is it A. He Shi Bi, B. Dragon jade, or C. Jade emperor stone? It's A. He Shi Bi. It was a priceless jade disc. What was the wooden ox wheelbarrow invented by Zhuge Liang primarily used to transport? Is it A. Royal gold, B. Military supplies, or C. Water buckets? It's B. Military supplies. It carried rations across rough mountains. This L-shaped hanging stone is an ancient musical percussion instrument called what? Is it A. Qing, B. Shun, or C. Sheng? It's A. Qing. It produces a clear, ringing sound. What is this ancient wind instrument made of several vertical bamboo pipes? Is it A. Sheng, B. Duzi, or C. Xiao? It's A. Sheng. This mouth organ inspired modern accordions. This bronze burner shaped like a mountain peak represents what legendary mystical place? Is it A. Mount Penglai, B. Mount Tai, or C. Mount Kunlun? It's A. Mount Penglai. It represents the mythical island of immortals. This exquisite Ming Dynasty porcelain style is known as Wu Cai, which means what? Is it A. 5 colors, B. Royal blue, or C. Golden dragon? It's A. 5 colors. It refers to the vibrant paint palette. How many of these ancient treasures did you identify? Tell us your score in the comments and subscribe for more.